All right, let's go ahead and talk about surface area. So, lateral surface area is only including the surrounding sides. And for a rectangular prism, the lateral surface area is the perimeter of the base times the height. Remember, perimeter is all the sides of the base added together, not all the sides of the whole shape, all the sides of the base. The triangular prism is the same thing, perimeter of the base times the height of the shape. And then the cylinder is 2 pi r h, which is the circumference of the base times the height. So lateral is only the outside. So like if you're putting a label on a can, that would be lateral surface area. Total surface area includes all surrounding sides and bases. And so we take our lateral and then we add the area of our two bases on that. So total surface area would be like wrapping a present or covering something in fabric. Lateral is like painting a room because you're only painting the walls. So lateral surface area, well, first off, what shape is this? This is a triangular prism. That means our base is a triangle. It is specifically this triangle here. So when we start talking about lateral surface area and I ask for the perimeter of the base, big P, I need to be doing the perimeter of the triangle. So in this case, I see that this is a side length of the triangle, 12. 9 is the side length of the triangle, so is 15, because if this is 15, that means this one's 15. So I would add all of those together and multiply by the height. Well, how do I know what the height of the shape is? Well, the height of the shape is the only side length that does not touch the base. 16 is not a part of the triangle, therefore it is the height of the shape. When I add that up, I get 36. 36 times 16 is 576 feet squared. Again, we have lateral surface area. Well, what shape is this? This is a cylinder. The base shape is a circle. Okay, formula on the star chart for lateral surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH, and we're going to use that. So here I have the diameter, which is 12 feet. Remember, the diameter and the radius are on the circle. So to get the radius, because our formula has r, I divide 12 by 2. Well, 12 divided by 2 is 6. So I'm going to do 2 times 3.14, which we use for pi, times 6 times the height of the shape, which is 15. 15 is not touching the circle, therefore it is the height of the shape. When I multiply all that out, I get 565.2 feet squared. Again, just like volume, as soon as you have the formula, this becomes a whole lot easier when solving. So total surface area, well, this shape is a rectangular prism and our base is a rectangle. And I would like to point out that unless otherwise specified, the base for a rectangular prism is the bottom. You're going to use the bottom side. Formula from the star chart for total surface area is perimeter of the base times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. Remember back from volume that big B stands for the area of the base? Well, for a rectangle, the area of the base is just length times width, or little b times h. So here we go. We're going to find the perimeter. Well, the perimeter of the base, I need all of these side lengths. If this side length is 4, this one is also 4. If this side length is 12, this one is also 12. So I'm going to plug that in for the perimeter. And then r times the height of the shape, which is 8. And then we have 2 times the area of the base. Well, how do I find the area of that rectangle? I'm going to do length times width, or base times height. Add it all up, multiply it all out. So when I add it up, I get 32 times 8. And then I have 2 times 48. And I add those together, I get 352 centimeters squared. Okay? So let's go ahead and get started on this one for total surface area. So the shape name is a cylinder, the base shape is a circle, and the formula on the star chart is 2 pi r h, which is the lateral surface area of a cylinder, plus 2 times pi r squared. Well, pi r squared is the area of a circle. I have 2 of them as my base, so I'm going to multiply that out. And we're going to use that. Now, honestly, cylinders are the easiest for surface area because you're just going to plug into the formula as is. Here, I just plugged in my height and my radius, 3.14 per pi, and multiply it all out. I get 301.44 inches. All right, thank you for watching.